for me, I was say. I would addition soon, Nabasaka and Kawati. When you send me a Shatta fine, my friend Yakasima SM boss, the King Shatta Wale. And send me a Chegu, by will be a friend, say Erica, the high Erica. Mammy, me a Shatta pastor, no, be a prophet. King Shatta Wale, the empire in a man, I made you for. I'm a cousin, some too. Mammy, so I'm here alone. Yadi ever boa. Want to be sure we are. Yadi, a bubble want to be sure we are. Why do you want to battle with a person who is a spiritual being? Why do you want to battle? Want to me catch all the SM fans say, woo. Ye motu ye bon. Mami, me am you me motu ye bon. Me dey be new about time. Me person catch you say, we deal with you spiritually. Me, I will deal with you spiritually. Usu usuroke. Se bi di wa tema me di mi rate usu usuroke. Ofi se kasa ye mframa. Abaya. Obi ti se ko jeje de de. Wonu akasa no. Office wi ase nyina ne de a. Ko jeje me tiro hwanyansa. One year I'll come for you spiritually. And if you so be me count here. Now what buy you? What to be public? The King Shatta Wale atem. Who born dog? What the weekend? Women tea sabayano. I mean kasaba kope. I mean ko.
Throwback is like behind, like a chile nyoma. And a nimno forward there no. So the throwback when you bring it compared to the current one. I am that girl. I am whoever I think I am. My name remains the same highest area. You can't do me nothing. To me until God gives you that chance. But thank you guys so much, Shatta. I appreciate you for the love, for boosting my page. Like Nyami Shrao, you've done a great job which you don't know. Nyami Shrao medical, whatever you wanted to achieve, me too, I achieved it. I wanted that name to be there, and it is there. Conversations have started the whole week. There's a show that went on, when the show or whatever. What is trending? I am the news, and I'll make you keep talking. And that's it. This episode of Yawa of the Day was brought to you by Check. Whatever you are doing, check your background. Because you don't know what tomorrow can bring. You can have it today, the next minute, you don't have it. China for more years, 1 minute, the more was there. But the next minute, everything, they lost it. Stop bragging. Stop making people feel less of themselves. See, that money you are saying that you have and whatever, me, Iyoko no invite me. No, Iyoko no invite me. The only Iyoko message I get right now is say, Eri, why are you trending? That is the only message I've gotten for Iyoko. They are saying, Eri, you are trending. But me, as highest Eri, I never go buy car for street, say I no see papers. Guest star like you, they sell car give you without papers. What kind of story is that?
More fire.
Master, don't bring it here. Yes. But don't bring a Shatta. I they respect you because you be OG. But make I tell you on a normal, I be street girl. I'm from a Shiman down to Tema. But I had him say, Oba, no, a lady kakra. You foretell from how I dress that sometimes I do a percent tefaso. I they tell you, check yourself, check your background before you come. Go feed mama. Because I dey feed mama for house. My name is Highest Terry. I'm out.
What? Oba umuade no. We Bema. Who are in kotu fear? You get problem. You get problem. Mommy, one way I worry who papa. Now SM Empire there. If you touch our king, you will get problem. Yeah, me no say or if I graduate bichiao. I graduate fan huncho one son kasai. Who shradie. Me advise you. Sebra bontin. Bepa the guy team nina SM nina king nina empire no paye chew. Because maybe a sunsun po. Odi for commercial ma wo ho. Asofo bebre aye empire ni. To buy say ye ho bon. Wa woni amanfo ensem amanfo ka kire. Ka ba ka ono to. Wa ba bontia be ka kire. Ye no obi a ye king ni ye fine bia no. Ye holding high esteem. Anything SM4 ababa wura mu no. Wo de magana fo nye DJ Slim the full kapu se me de no. Wo de ma no nye yodum. Now but to spiritual net in ma. You bet you hang it. The one I'll be home. All the SM fun. When I won't tidy or Baba apologize. I come no connect in you know. Na brother patch on. Now you too late. Aha. I attach TV. But I say, Macro. Bye bye.